Hey there, welcome to Trying to Make Junk with Zach and
Nathaniel,
yes. So we're just going to introduce you to our episode 4 where we are going to be making, in fact I have some right here, some Joy Fidget toys. Are these classified toys?
just fidget.
Fidget? So not toys, they're fidget.
I guess you could call them qualify as toys, but
Ooh, big word. That was good. Qualify. Anyways, so we're going to be showing you how these are made. Easy stuff. And then I made a headset holder. And our boys, or our kids, are homeschooled, and they wear headsets while they're doing school. So Mom wanted them to have a headset on or a headset holder that kind of hangs off their desk. So we're here, going to show you that. So if you would subscribe. What else is there?
hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Well, you share too. Share.
Yes, share this. We want other people to watch this. So
talk about it. Tell your friends.
Yes.
Tell your family.
Yeah. Shout it off the rooftops.
Yeah.
Tell everybody you come in contact with they should watch Trying to Make Junk. So, anyways, hey, enjoy, and you're fixing to see exactly getting into the what we're making. All right, welcome back. Just fixing to show you what we are going to make. These Joy Fidgets. And but just to kind of show you what we're going to be making. So again, comment below if you see us messing up or doing something better. Still learning. And you got anything to say?
Like, subscribe, hit the bell.
Yeah.
And share.
Yep. All right. Enjoy these videos coming out. Okay, so we're back. So here's all of the things that I have printed. Coffee break. This is a cool. This actually all like gets colored when it's hot. Got this from the Ark in Kentucky. It's a really cool coffee. That's the Ark. And then the rainbow, God's promise to us. He won't flood the earth again. Really cool coffee cup. Really cool. And thanks for so you can get grip. Anyways, there's that. Now this, see that's support. See that? So you can just I think it's an interesting design that it does that anyways. Like, why not just have it all the way down? I don't understand that. There she is. Forgot about this piece. Sorry, piece. Kind of sticking out. Can you see that right there? So I'm gonna just kind of nip that off. Oh, come on. So close. So close. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Yes! No, because now it doesn't match. It goes the other way. Oh my goodness, now I can't get it out. You got to be kidding me, dude. You're coming out, guy. You are coming out. Maybe I should have read the instructions. Coffee break. This is decaf. I'll be right back. I got it. It just flew across the room. 1 second. I got it. I found it. Got it. Got it. So I'm already having issues. Dude, I feel like I'm in the side of that right there is what I'm in. If I scuff my wife's table, ooh boy, I tell you what, she is going to be livid. Alright, here we go. I can get it started. There it goes. Yeah, look at that. It's coming through. Where you at? There you go. Okay. Now, this goes here. Pretend that's a desk. Oh. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's working. So I think it's going to work. Okay. Success. So, alright. And then stay tuned for the next one. Kind of already know what the next project is, but you'll have to wait to see it. And so, hey, until next time, God bless.